Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 04 of the video lecture series 3-dimensional geometry. In this video, we are going to start the most important topic, straight lines. If you have 6 questions, then definitely 3 questions will be on the straight lines. Let's get started. So what we are going to study in this video is equation of a straight lines with the different forms and the angle between the two lines. So the equation of a straight line, first form. If A, B, C are the direction ratios of a line passing through the x1, y1 and z1, then what is the equation of a straight line? So it is very simple. So it is direction ratios di, so it is dr's, and it is a point passing through the line passing through the point is also given. So the equation becomes x minus x1 upon A equals to y minus y1 upon B equals to z minus z1 upon C, where ABC are the DRs and x1, y1, z1 are the point through which your line is passing. So this form can also be known as a point direction ratio form. So it is x minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B and z minus z1 by C. Okay, so let's see one simple example. If minus 2, 3, 6 are the DRs of a line passing through the point 5, 6 and minus 7. So DRs is given and passing through point is given. So this is nothing but x1, y1 and z1. So your equation becomes x minus x1 is 5 upon A, it is minus 2, equals to y minus 6 upon 3 and z minus plus 7 upon 6. That's it. This is the equation of line. If generally if any equation is given, suppose this is the equation is given, x minus 2 upon minus 3 equals to y minus 2 upon 6 and it is 3z minus 4 upon 5 is given, then what will be the direction ratios of this line? You may get the question like this: if this is a line, then what is the direction ratio of this line? So first of all, make sure that your straight line equation is in a standard form. Standard form means what? The coefficients of x, y and z should be 1 and this should also be 1. So if it is 3, then how you will make this 3 to 1? So just क्या करना है, इसको divide by 3 on both sides, numerator and denominator दोनों में divide by 3 करना है. So this becomes z minus 4 by 3 upon 5 by 3. Now you can see all the coefficients of x, y and z becomes 1. So what are the direction ratios of this line? So it is minus 3, it is 6 and 5 by 3. These are the direction ratios of a given line. Just getting? Very good. Next, move to the second form of a line. If suppose the line is passing through two given points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, then what is the form? Okay, suppose these are the coordinates of A and B. A is x1, y1, z1 and B is x2, y2, z2. Then what is the form? It is again very simple, the same as your first one. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 and z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. It is very simple to remember. What was our previous form? ये हो गया भाई second form. Previous form was x minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B and z minus z1 by C. Okay, so if you observe here in this case, again these two should be same. If these both are the equation of line, these two should be same. y2 minus y1 is B and z2 minus z1 is C. Okay, so then what I can say, ये जो denominator में दिया है ना, these are also what? These are nothing but the ABCs in the 2-point form. It is in the 2-point form. 2-point form. Getting? Very good. So let's see one simple example. If line is passing through 2, 0, minus 2, 7, 2, minus 3, then what is the equation? So it is x minus x1 is 2 upon x2 minus x1. So 7 minus 2 is 5 equals to y minus y1 is 0 upon y2 minus y1 it is 2 and z minus z1 is minus plus 2 divided by z2 minus z1, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So this is what, this is the equation of line. And what will be the drs of this line? Sir, drs क्या हो गए? So drs are nothing but 5, 2 and minus 1. 5, 2 and minus 1. So can I say, if the equation of line is given in the 2-point form, or you have the 2 points like this 1, 2 and 3, and b is suppose 5, 2 and minus 7, if your line is passing through these 2 points, so can you find out the drs of this line? Yes, nothing but it is a is equals to what? X2 minus x1. X2 minus x1 is what? It is 5 minus 1 is 4. B is equals to what? It is y2 minus y1, so it is 2 minus 2, which is 0. And C is equals to what? It is minus 7 minus 3, which is minus 10. Okay, means what? The direction ratios are nothing but A is equals to x2 minus x1, B is equals to y2 minus y1, and C is equals to z2 minus z1. Why I am writing these twice, thrice? Okay, because this is the most important. Again, they will give you the 2 points and they will ask the direction cosines or the direction ratios. Okay, so let's come to the third form of a line, which is if a line is passing through the x1, y1, z1 and parallel to other line having the drs abc. Suppose you have this line ABC and it is passing through, suppose this point A, whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and this desired line is parallel to other line. Okay, this is a line whose direction ratios are known, ABC. Now can you tell me what is the condition for the direction ratios of parallel lines? If lines are parallel, then their direction ratios are what? Same. Their direction ratio should be same or in the proportion. We have seen already in the previous video. If you have not seen, please go through that. Parallel lines direction ratio should be same or in proportion. Means what? Now what will be the equation of this line if it is passing through one single point, and what will be the direction ratio of this desired line if it is parallel to this line, which is same? ABC I can definitely take because both lines are parallel. So equation क्या हो गया भाई? X minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, and z minus z1 by C. That's it. This becomes my equation, where ABC are what? Where ABCs are the drs of parallel line. Drs of parallel line. Okay. So let's see one example. If a line is passing through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to other line having the drs 5, 6 and 0. If lines are parallel, then the desired line के drs भी same हो जाएंगे 5, 6, 7. So the equation क्या हो जाएगा? X minus 1 by 5, y minus 2 by 6, and it is z minus 3 by 0. Okay. So this becomes what? Equation of line. Very good. Please don't make this as infinity. Okay, it is not correct, because if you solve this, it won't be infinity here. Again, most important, at least one question will be there in the angle between the lines. At least one question. Okay, so let's see the direction cosine form. So let theta be the angle. Let theta be the angle between the two lines. Then the direction cosine form will be what? It is cos theta equals to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. That's it. This is the formula for the angle between the two lines. Okay. Now you already know what is L is equal to. What is the relation between the direction cosine and ratio? It is plus or minus A upon root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Now if you substitute the values of A, L, M and N respectively in this equation, you will get the direction ratio form. That will be cos theta is equals to, see here, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Isn't it so simple? Very very simple. If you देखो भाई एक 2 मिनट के लिए इस फॉर्मूले को ना अच्छे से देख लो. It will be damn sure, it will be in your mind forever. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of a1 square, b1 square, c1 square, a2 square, b2 square, c2 square. Okay, very good. So these are the two angle formulas for your angle between the lines. Now tell me if the lines are perpendicular. If lines are perpendicular means what? Theta becomes 90 degree. So cos theta will be what? Cos theta will be cos 90, so which will be 0. Means what? If the lines are perpendicular, I will say L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equals to 0. Yes, is equals to 0. Similarly, if you see in the direction ratio form, if it is 0, then your numerator should be equals to 0. Okay, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 is already 0. This condition we have already seen in the direction ratio, direction cosine form. So let me revise once again. If the lines are perpendicular, then what is condition? Either the product of, that is sum of the product of the direction cosines will be 0. L1 L2 m1 m2 plus n1 n2 is equals to 0, or a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. And if the lines are parallel, what? If lines are parallel, then your drs should be same or in the proportion. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Then what will be the direction cosines? भाई वो भी भाई proportion में हो जाएंगे ना. L1 by L2 equals to M1 by M2 equals to N1 by N2. So these relations are very helpful while solving the questions. Okay, so let's see one simple question. The angle between the straight lines is, अभी straight lines दिया है. If it is a straight line, can you tell me what are the direction ratios of this straight line? भाई लाइन 1 के जो डायरेक्शन रेशियोज है दोज आर द 2, 5 एंड 4, एंड लाइन 2 के जो डायरेक्शन रेशियोज है वो है 1, 2 एंड -3. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बोथ द लाइन्स आर इन what standard form. Coefficient of x by z is 1. Okay, so denominator becomes the direction ratio. So what is the angle between? So you know that in the form of direction ratio, what is that? A1 A2 means 2 into 1 it is 2 plus B1 B2 5 into 2 is 10 plus C1 C2 is 4 into -3 is -12 divided by root of A1 square A2 square. So it is A1 square is 4 plus 25 plus 16 root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, so if you open this you will get -2 minus 12 plus 12, which is going to be 0. Means what? Cos theta is 0. Means what, sir? Lines are perpendicular, and what is the angle between them? Theta कितना हो गया? 90 degree. Getting? See here, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है सर? यहाँ पे आ रहा है 0. That's why the angle between the lines becomes 90 degree. So let's try to solve this second question. Find the direction cosine of a lines joining the points. अभी दो points दिए and they are asking the direction cosine. If 2 points are given, we can find the direction ratio. How? That is a is equals to what? It is x2 minus x1, which is nothing but -2 minus 4 is -6. B becomes y2 minus y1, which is nothing but 1 minus 3, which is again -2. And C कितना हो गया? z2 minus z1, which is -8 plus 5, it is -3. If ABCs are known, can you find out the LMN? They are asking LMN, direction cosine पूछा है. LMN. Okay, yes, we can find out. L is equals to, it is plus or minus a upon root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so what will be the root of? First of all, find out the magnitude. A square is 36 plus b square is 4 plus c square is 9, which is nothing but 36 plus 4, 40 plus 9, 49, which is nothing but 7. Okay, so you can take plus or minus 7. So a is what? It is -6. It is -6 divided by 7. M becomes -2 divided by 7, and n becomes -3 divided by 7. Definitely you can take these plus or minus signs. Okay, so what is the answer? Is -6 by 7, -2 by 7, -3 by 7. This is the direction cosine of a given line. What I have done, I have first to find out the ABCs, and I have used the relation between L and DCs and DRs. Okay, thanks for watching this video. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड योर जूनियर्स, ठीक है। कमेंट करो भाई हाउ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you.